Hey YouTube, this is Damian Richardson. It's nearly 11 o'clock at night on June 2nd, and we're looking at the basic attention token. And what we will do tonight is we will go over a few of the time frames that are relevant for doing this type of trading. So right now the exchange rate is at 23, or the price is at 23. Let's take a look at this from a few time frames. And what we have in the beginning is a daily time frame. And what the daily is telling us is that there's a cluster of buy signals that all happened around May 25th. So what does that mean for us? It means that momentum is still positive and that we're not really flashing any sell signals yet, but any pullbacks are probably healthy. But we got one. This is the 3-hour chart, and we got a massive rush down to the near 20s or 21, and then a quick rebound with a buy signal right here. So how do we interpret that buy signal, and what should we do about it? Well, we can interpret it based on price going from lower lows and lower highs to higher highs and higher lows. So we do have some element of that, and price is definitely above the moving average in this slide. So when we go to the 15-minute chart here, we have price punching above the moving average twice, and a possible chance to reclaim some of the higher levels. So even though this chart is showing some selling signals, we can definitely say that the follow through in these 4 hours has been pretty strong. So let's take a trade in this. So we took a trade and we were going to establish a long position. We can say with some probability that price will just pull back slightly, right? So let's take this position and enter at 23, just above 23, right? So if we were going to adjust this for last night's highs, we can set a target that will take us all the way up to near 25, because that's where it just pinged that level before coming down. So we have the danger of price doing this again. It's a very clear and present danger. We also have a chance to lock in our gains and prevent losses. So on the one hand, we have a really juicy target at 6.17%. That would take us to 24. On the other hand, we have a chance of repeating this type of mayhem that happened earlier in the day today. So even though we have a very quick flush, this is a medium time frame, 4 hours, a really quick flush which presented us a chance to buy it again. I still think that we can make an attempt at getting to 23 or 24. So that's the technical analysis and the trade by Damian Richardson. It's June 2nd. Have a good rest of your night, and I'll catch you again later. If you have any other cryptocurrencies that you want to see up on here, I'd be happy to do them. And we can go over later this trade. It definitely was a surprise to me seeing how fast things rallied back again. But I would be really excited to see it go to 24 or 24 and a half. This is Damian Richardson with your technical analysis. Over and out.